Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Today it's a 16 GT350R. As you know, one of my all-time favorite vehicles, Whipple Supercharger. We're going to watch a dyno pull laying down over 800 real-world horsepower. We're going to tell you how we got there. So if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. And if you're interested in a Whipple Supercharger for your GT350 or GT350R, we typically always have these things in stock, ready to ship, ready to install. Because right now it's 2021 and Whipple has about a 4-month lead time on these, but we are your go-to one-stop shop for the Whipple Supercharger because we keep them available, or at least try to, for your 350 or 350R. So I have Doug with me. We're gonna go down and take a look at the engine compartment. We're gonna watch a dyno pull, so check this out. So here's something else I'm gonna show you besides talking about what all is on this GT350. This supercharger was installed on this a few years ago. It's the Gen 3, all right? So when you buy a supercharger right now for your GT350, you're gonna get the newest, most improved Gen 5 supercharger. But Doug, come down here and take a look. Let's talk about the mods. We have the Gen 3 Whipple. This car has factory exhaust manifolds on it, factory cats, running 100 octane fuel, and the 3.5 Whipple supercharger pulley, which brings it in about 12 pounds of boost, which is why you have the 100 octane in it, bill of oil pump gears, and cooling mods. So we have the larger radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit, and that is a sweet setup on a 350. You know, you can buy one of these kits out of the box. We like running the larger, improved heat exchanger, and you're typically gonna make anywhere from probably 740 to 760 real horsepower DynoJet SAE. But we're gonna lay down over 800 today because we are running better fuel, running improved boost, 12 pounds, and ID 1050 injectors, as well as a booster pump. But besides that, that's about all that's on this car right now. So check out this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna look at the numbers, but remember this. So if you have a stock GT350 and you're wanting our Whipple kit with the Whipple calibration, you're typically looking at, again, like I said, 740, 760 real horsepower. But Doug, take a look at this. DynoJet SAE 831 real horse coming in at 8,200 RPM. That's where we let off. Torque 561, peaking at 6,500 RPM. Awesome numbers on a stock engine GT350. It does have a catback system on it, the factory manifolds, factory cats, the Whipple oil pump gears, cooling mods. It's a sweet setup. If you wonder, hey, what's this cost to get installed? You simply email quote@brenspeed.com. That's how you find out. If you have questions, you can leave a comment. We'd be happy to answer. But that's pretty much it for today. Doug, take a look. It's a GT350R model. I love this. It's the old Gen 3 supercharger. You can expect with the Gen 5 to make, 740, 760 to the tires with a straight up Whipple kit, and you only can improve it from there. So this right here, 1050 injectors, fuel pump booster, and 3.5 pulley, and we're over 800 real horsepower. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Have questions, leave a comment. How do you get a quote on getting something like this installed? You simply email quote@brenspeed.com. You can check out our website, brenspeed.com. In that description, I'll put links to the supercharger as well as the cooling mods I've been talking about, so you can get a lot more about it. Thanks for watching.